The account button, top right of the homepage, gives you several options for managing your account and accessing your order history. So let's take a look. It's split into tabs, the first being Dashboard, and here you'll find quick links to be able to get in contact with us, additional help material, and a link to be able to send us feedback, feedback on our products or feedback on this platform. The next tab is Profile Details, where you'll see the registered account details, the name of your organization if you're part of one, and what levels of permission you have. So details of the different roles and permissions can be found on our knowledge base pages. Any orders that you've made will be available via the Orders tab. And there's numerous ways to search and filter to find the ones you're after. Search by order reference or address, filter by date ranges. You can even filter by the team member within your organization who placed the order. Within each, you can click View Details to see the individual items within that order. If you're part of an organization, you'll be able to see all registered accounts within that organization under the Team tab. You can see who they are and their level of roles and permissions. From here, org admins will be able to manage the members of an organization in terms of roles and permissions and also access. A tab only available to org admins is Billing. And from here, you'll see details of each invoice, the status, and be able to download those invoices as CSVs or as PDFs. The final tab, Settings, for now, just controls your marketing preferences. And there we have it, the account area of the Groundsure Searches ordering platform. And there we are, a whistle-stop tour of the Groundsure Searches ordering platform. I hope you found that useful and informative and gave you all the information you needed. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch via the Contact Us links on the platform. And if you've got any feedback or suggestions on the platform itself, I'd encourage you to use the Share Early Feedback button at the top of the home page. Thank you for your time, thank you for listening, and we'll see you soon.